Welcome back to the channel. If first time you watch Tugger TV and you not subscribe, it's something wrong. Remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Please, me I beg you. If you don't new, big up to you if you watch long time and still support the channel. See do you know what I mean? So watch you. Want to drop a comment down below. Drop an honest comment because the one you are going to hit. You see you don't want to name? You get what you don't get. So you know what that mean. If you don't know what I mean, stay tuned and watch the whole of the video. The movie, you understand? So the movie is reality. Them things are going out in the world and you don't have to open your eye. You understand? If you don't have a loyal girl at your foot, something wrong. You have to just find the right one where I will stay by your side through broke days, through hungry days, everything, you know what I mean? So do what you have to do and take it easy. And remember, like, share and subscribe. I'm going to go over to Curious Fashion. I'm coming to promote the page. The page been stuck for a while. Now I get to promote really. So I want to go over there buy up some product, you know what I mean? Buy up some wall sticker, buy up some LED light. Look closely over the bar suit. You go over there and see link out there in the description. So remember, if you don't subscribe now and click the notification bell to all. Because if you don't do that, you now get the notification when we post a brand new movie. So stay tuned for that one.
Who is that? Who is it? Cassandra? Just come now. You're gonna say a stranger.
Good night.
Hi. No, I'm just packing the dishes. Have a seat, welcome. What's up, girl? I wash yourself out. I don't mean.
I like the palm my bread. Then keep out a lot.
Money.
I like food. Want a job.
Where would that make 7 cost? 7.
Anyway, who wants the bathroom? Can you the bathroom?
No, piece of vessel. Piece of vessel. Or piece of palm. This best friend, she's so good. I know so we're best friend. Let's go piece it.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, come on. It's what? Yeah.
Let me ask you, you know someone like you and hold on man. You know someone like you and go off your face, but just make sure so you can keep them out and make them come on.
I'm best friend.
Let me ask you.
I'm a best friend.
Go and say just put a number in it.
Just like that.
The number.
Just like that. So what happened to you?
One cockroach, me just stay all over my jump. You know, that's cockroach, you know, that means the place not keep clean.
I run to not keep the place clean. And you live here.
I just show something I'm busy, you know. Sometimes I'm really busy.
So you're not keep the place clean because you're busy.
I'm trying, you know, work of me sometimes.
I have to also.
What? Can I employ you?
No. You're hungry already?
Yeah.
Anyways, now come go home.
So your man is, you're just curious, total stranger, win. Who is you?
I'm boyfriend. Boyfriend is my best friend. Angel.
Nice meeting you, Angel.
Remember one menu, one extensive menu.
Alright.
Alright, make sure say you treat my best friend good enough.
I'm not sure right now.
And make sure say you treat my two big friend good.
As always. Anyways, we're going to go home and cook. I hear my saying hungry. Give me everyone.
Nice.
Bye.
Okay. Alright. Hello? Yeah, girl, what's up? You good? I'm just here eating some nice food I just prepared, you know? Oh, your boyfriend is over. Yeah, you're one man. One man cannot hold me. Yeah, girl. 3 man, I have 3 of them. 3 ugly man. But them things that them alone I have stupid. No, sir. One man cannot keep me, girl. Why you busy? You can't talk to me now. Enjoy your one man. So I'm enjoying my food when I eat. Alright. So now one man.
Angel. Angel.
May I come? Whatever. Smell fresh.
I need to go. Because your place, I'm my place, and just open it and see you like that.
Alright, so. I'm glad to say I rich, but guess what? I got a job. And it means that it can just pop up anytime I'm in place. Because sometimes I might come, I might not be here. And I don't want you to waste a darling fear.
No, listen, no. Remember, no. You see, you're wrong for give me in the case. If you give me, I can't stop coming. You see me? Because last night you called me and you tell me some dirty things. And you just get my hand and see if you just drive come over here. But you never open me and get a call.
Anyways, I have my food I eat
Hello?
before I call.
Yeah, I call her back now. So call her back. Where you did food?
I was eating before I come.
You better put on your food, because right now I come over here at eating time and not eating time. Because down on the road, I and my friend them drink some rum. And I just stand up. Tiffs up.
Tasty. Alright?
Come on.
Okay, baby.
Come on, beat and teach now. Come on.
think I could have managed, man.
What do you mean by?
Well, if I make you a tour, and you still want one more.
Wow, I just love it. Like that thing inside of me.
Man, don't worry yourself, though, man. I can't make you nice, man, isn't it? Because I tell you, once me have money, you will have money. So as I say, you do want work. So just do it, man. You pull up, I said, and make sure I say you're nice, isn't it?
You know I love you, right?
You know, I love it, right?
You're the guy I want to marry.
And I want to marry you, too.
Now children and start a family. I love you.
Love you, too.
And I even love the sex.
I'm going to go show out right now, though.
Okay.
You just have me a sweat.
So I could go. Wow. Mine.
Right now, I know I want nothing more for later.
Let's say about that.
Maybe if I'm ready again later, I'll come back.
Okay.
I'll walk on the road and
Okay.
you don't want to go in and show us still and maybe do it again, but time around, so see you later.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
Alright. You know your way out, right?
Of course.
Okay, call me.
I will.
Okay. Boy, you talk about things that me love you. Only thing me love is body and money. Only thing me love. I can't wait till you come over later. Call him now. That's why I'm looking because it's silly like me. Alright, later.
I know it's another round one right now. Go on. You know what else? Come here, man, I do thing fast now.
Yes, I'm so strong.
I depend on fast move. Yeah, sorry, you know? And another time we link you. Where are you, my dear?
Finish some old chores.
Oh.
I need to tidy the kitchen.
Which one I don't know how the man come over here.
Never. The blood of Jesus back to sender. I am not like that.
You
Faithful.
sure?
Faithfulness is in my eyes. Look at me. Why would I cheat on you? You treat me so good. Why would I?
Take up my phone or something.
Are you cheating me?
No, me just tell you. Make sure you know that. No man not to come over here. A man come over here neck clip cut off.
Never.
Yeah, whoa. A
Give me
serious
a-
thing with
give
that
me
man
a-
looking at me eye. I'm serious as a judge. Know that.
Give me a hug before you go.
You bet there first, yeah. I get that good look, but may I go? Alright. Oh, you need to make call, eh?
You have to.
Alright.
Okay, baby.
Come back. Oh man,
No.
if you come over here.
Never.
Alright.
When you're both. Hey! That's the woman. Hello?
Hello, what's up?
What's up? I'm good.
How can I call this an idea?
You call me and you asking me that? What do you mean?
No, because things you call me. Did you call me before?
No, babe.
Things you call me, so I'm going to call about. I said, what can I call? I call me, you know, come and see the missed call, you know?
Well, honestly, I'm
Because
not.
my time, you tell her the phone, so my time, the phone itself, give me a delay, like I live 1 week before, so that, remember they call me then, the messages are coming. I don't know where I'm before.
Guess what, though? I'm not feeling so well. I'm feeling sick. I need some of your medicine.
And this is one at you?
Yes, sweetie.
Alright, that's all we work with their program. Give me about next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, alright?
5 is fine. 5 is fine. 10 is too long.
But I just sleep doing it because I'll just come straight in now.
Yeah, and get me a soup on the way if you can.
If you go on away, because we come with them in their one place, we probably think I just drop on the main, but just come on the next road, side road, and follow it. But me, if you see it, you get it, alright?
Okay, sweetie.
Yeah, man.
I work good. Love you.
Yeah, man. Never wait.
Some TikTok.
So you want the TikTok? Let's see one. Work out.
Feel sick.
If you're sick, what good for sickness? You want injection?
Yeah, I want you to just come and inject me with your long gun.
You can't do that.
You know, I always on my condom because I just don't need a child at the moment. So, what do you need? Rough Rider or this other one?
None of them.
Okay.
Always shy when I'm doing this, right? Always shy.
Why you shy? You know, easy, you know. Hurry up now, you know.
We're gonna shit. Do like. Papa, you don't gonna shit time. So you don't know about it.
Never.
Are you playing with the toys them?
Maybe not.
Maybe. Don't play the toys them on the something them. Cause it'll make you wide out here.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Oh, you're the best.
You laugh good like you enjoy it. Maybe a ball a while ago you laugh. You're Gina, you know. Are you acting like I'm doing it good?
You are the best of the best.
But when I said best, that means that there's somebody else there.
No, I mean as compared to the past.
I'm better than all of the ex them.
All of them. Okay, Mr. Z.
Oh, you feel better now? You see you feel better. Okay?
Wow. I needed that.
Alright, so. Now I'm going to go up on the work.
Take care of the soup.
No, I'm going to get no soup, but later I'll go buy some soup from you. Your call, people, when they call road, I'll go.
You so, kiss from a job before you leave.
Huh?
Kiss.
You know my rule already. No kissing. Later.
Bye, darling. Wow! Come now. Stop calling and come. Now watch some play. Just come in, man.
You know something I like how you're dealing with all this work.
It's just the mood swing, so you know me by
I
now.
thought I said, come in and some deal with that bush.
Alright.
Yeah, watch babe.
You just happy yourself.
What do you mean? You have somebody else coming? Eh? No, yeah, dear. In your box, in your feet.
It's not like that, but either way, it's supposed to let me know say I'll come. I'm expect it today.
I come anytime.
All that, but I should not stress out.
What do you mean it's stress out?
I'm
Eh?
broke. I need money.
What do you mean you need money? To do what?
I'm a woman and why I need money?
Hold this.
I can't want money with no
Hold
time.
this here. Come on.
I How much money this?
You know have to check, you don't worry how much.
I need to check it.
Come on.
Yeah, if we get here,
No,
money
money tear in a business border. Come on.
who you know? We can't feel it.
I don't want to that. That come over there for. Come on. Come on, babe. We don't want to.
Every day comes the same thing. Is what? Yeah, give my man.
I'm up though.
Yeah.
I didn't have long hair still, no. Really didn't have long hair. But I don't know, what we just done, so I see the energy. And I don't know phone for me. But I get a call. You understand, say, you feel like you need a call, pay about this call, so if I ever check that data there. I don't know, nice or not. You know what I mean? Because what here, you get some, but you don't get enough. So let's say, you want to put 9 here, you might go for everything. Tired?
I joke.
Come here. You're good though.
Always when you're alone.
We work on our again now. So I said something. You see? Let's not do install about when I finish now. But on the Z. You know, getting. You know, see, why? You just look. You see, you want more, you know. You see, I jump up and back. You want more. You can't come back.
It's not what it's saying, it's about our clear for the connection, chemistry.
But me I say, too much height. Yeah, get too much height and all. But anyway.
So that means never stop sex me?
No man. Don't me say but
You will wait again.
feel with that. But when we come back, girl. Jayo.
No, next month, please.
No, when we come back. When we come back, girl. No, it's money I start for you.
Alright.
I'm going to make some money.
Alright.
Okay, I'm money for the meeting.
Yeah, you need to. You need to.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh. Cassandra,
Hello?
it's me.
Alright, what's up?
Girl, I needed to come over. Can you? It's urgent. I'm sick.
You're sick.
I'm sick. Me I vomit.
Hey! You have a vomit.
Shit, somebody. Sure. Hello? Sorry about that. You hear me?
Yeah, me, I hear you.
Alright, just come over. Can you?
And something me did I do know about, alright, me I come.
I need you. Like, right now, Cassandra. You're my best friend. And I can trust you. Just come.
Alright, me I forward.
Alright, cool.
Hello?
Cassandra.
Yes, but there a gate. Pull the gate.
Alright. Me come meet here.
Alright.
Cool.
Why you look like that? And I want that you're drinking in your hand.
It's water, but anyhow, that's why I called it. Let's just come inside. Come now. I'm tired, exhausted.
Well, you didn't look tired.
Take your shoes off, please. Thank you.
Which part you go?
Veranda. Oh. Sorry about that. Have a seat.
No, you sit down there.
You sure?
So what you said, do you know?
Girl, I'm not sure, you know. I'm not sure. I experience some symptoms I'm not like. It's just so unusual. Me have vomit, me head that hurt me can't eat anything and it just stay inside of me. Me exhausted, me miserable, me angry. I don't know what happened to me. Honestly, I'm confused right now.
Who breed you?
What?
Who breed you? Because me specifically remember say, you tell me say, you can't keep one man. You can stay like me and keep one man. So which one out of them man there breed you? Are you not use condom?
Me barren, me can't have any children. I understand some have 3 man and maybe more, but me using condom, me having sex, but me can't breed. Me not breeding, me can't, no. What's a breed? Hey.
You listen. Go check out yourself. Because them the symptoms the way I tell me, I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. Me not have time for you and this. Me I go home because we did a tidy up my house. Me I go to my man, you alright. But you can't keep one man. Go check
In
yourself.
time of desperate need, you're leaving because of your ugly man.
You see, if I did I keep one man, this would reach you.
Me never said I'm pregnant, me just call
And me I
you.
tell you, so you're breathing, huh? Go test yourself and see if I lie me I tell.
Breed. Are you pregnant?
Me?
So why you spending for me and tell me say me breeding and you breed? You breed? You gonna be godmother?
You know what be a foolish to say a chat. Me I'll cook my man dinner before you start ring down my phone. You alright?
Go on.
Bye.
Go on, man, I broke your foot. More one man. Or one man ago. Can't believe that Cassandra did right. Call her over here, man. Call this lady crow. Pregnant. Jeez. Phone her up and phone her, man. Hello? Cassandra? Me need to come over now. Hey, mama, when the lottery, just come over now. Alright, me do home. Cool. Alright, now we find you. Alright, best friend. Boy. Cassandra?
Good night.
Night.
Good night.
I'm so you look so.
Now, oh, my look.
Like a surprise.
Anyways, they carry crowd.
Where crowded?
I went to the doctor. As I.
Why you move so?
Oh, me a move.
Like you're scared or something.
Yes, of course I'm scared. I call her as a best friend to come tell her my problem of my business. When I look, you carry Trump, you carry the one day, you carry the entire parliament with you. Are you okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. That's multiple. That's more than 1. That's enough. That's too much.
Anyways, I get bored now. What you say now?
I can still tell them to talk to you inside.
No, I'm not scared right now.
No, I'm not moving no more.
Alright, best friend. Congrats. I'll put Junior inside me growing.
I will tell them the man them put in there.
What you say?
Which one of the 3 man put in there?
You always come to me too raw. Too straightforward. I don't like you sometimes, you know?
That's why people are like me.
Sometimes I don't like you. I'm my best friend, but I don't like you
But every
sometimes.
time we choose who put them there, who put it them in.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. You're not sure who breed you. That's why he could keep 1 man. You see, if you didn't keep 1 man, that could reach you.
1 man cannot keep me. 1 man just cannot keep me because I love sex. I like it morning, noon, night, every single clock of the hour.
Hold on. But 1 man can live.
No. The man have a business sometimes.
So because I love sex, I want do every single minute of the day. They were there with Dick, Tama, Harry.
Cassandra, if you're the collection, right? From I know me, you know, so 2 things I love. Money and body. As I say me, MD, BD.
So let me ask you a question. The 3 man, them give you
money.
money? Them give you money? Them mind you? I then just come to sex and just move.
Look how the girl that talk to me though, Lord, in front of man.
And
In front of man, you could embarrass me in front of your man.
Sorry, you never, but be honest.
I would never do this, you know. never embarrass in front of my man. Never.
Say not shame yourself. How about you? Where you pick the papa?
Remember.
You remember?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Right now, it's either abort is one, give the treat, man them the picnic, or just run away, go start like the one next man. 3 options.
Aborting a child is not an option.
I don't like abortion, but what is I gonna do?
They cannot. From if they are your friend, you can't abort nothing yourself. You're going to carry it. Because you go and pick if you come.
I'm not sex the breed. I'm sex
What
for
you
fun.
expect? What you expect? Picnic I go come. Picnic mean responsibility.
Sometimes I use condom. Not all the time. Sometimes I use condom.
So if them tell if them fucking at you.
Man, I will tell me that.
Okay.
Men these days, I will tell me that.
Okay.
Me that.
Okay, but you use condom sometime and I know your personal man them.
The try them single.
God go with
The try them things that men on them have. So them say, so them think. Them an idiot. Stupid.
God go with you.
Always. Always.
God not go with you this time.
Come on, man. Too much talking. Come on.
Anyway.
They can go, but next time I call it, don't like carry a big fat ugly man we don't like him up
No,
place,
it's
no.
just like
Come out!
Come.
Is that picture so let me tell them a business? Where you want the box thing? Come on, man, and don't go now. Don't come back. Unfriendly friend. Can't bother with it. True.
So, I don't mind that.
What?
What mean you have feed for 2? I don't mind picnic. I'm broken at you?
10,000 times I earn.
I know my picnic that.
What
So
you mean
now
by?
call me name funny.
What you mean?
Listen me.
After my lie up to you, babe.
Listen look.
Eh?
Remember me and my wife a yard.
Me can't swear up on the moon, the star, the cross, so you're the
Listen
only
me.
man go between my legs.
Listen me. Remember me and my wife a yard, so me now
Why?
broke out of the yard.
After me think so you're the only woman, me the only woman you have.
Listen me not broke out of the yard. Me broke in a mine. You understand?
Yo, come forward, come on.
I know my picnic that find your baby father, yeah?
See you?
When you find him, you call me back. Later.
Rubbish. Yo. Sure. strike me. Bad news. Sorry, you hear? You're gonna become a father before time. I know we never planned for it, but congrats.
What do you mean?
May I breed?
You know, say that breed, but I don't know.
As in the gun where you use to inject me, it go far. The long john with the curve. Babe.
Tell her one thing.
Baby.
You listen me?
May I hear you?
Every time that we do have sex, I use a condom, right?
And so?
And every time I check, because I don't really trust people really. So I check every time I use a condom. I check the condom first or anything. So, you know what I mean? So, it's impossible to get a female pregnant through condom. And I don't kiss none at all. So that means there's no way at all. There's no connection physically. And I don't put my finger in it.
Lie you are tell, lie. You love lick and touch and whatever. Eh? You come at the ice cream. Sir, stop irritating me spirit now. You're the only man I ever sleep with in my lifetime. You're the only man. Apart from my ex who raped me back then.
I remember you out there.
What?
You're talking around. We don't want that really. Because I'm not know brother.
I want to talk to Curious King.
Oh, online this guy.
The Rasta man.
Oh, no, this is Kevin. No, the guy from the road.
So you really never just sex me out and breed me out and left me out? You serious?
Hello. You may not know that I know that you have two other man from the other one.
The blood of Jesus a lie. I know me.
Every time.
I know me. I'm a triplet sisters. I know me.
You know how I know? I leave a camera in the kitchen the last time I came here. And I checked it the next year. Because you should not clean your place all the while. I put it down on the camera. I'm not saying I'm clean your place all the dirty and all.
The blood of Jesus. I a Rasta. I don't like wash.
So, that's how it goes. So, when I say,
Kevin.
you
If
are.
you don't want my opinion, you can just say that, but don't come discriminate me and style me.
No, what I'm saying though, if you never read about the red, you don't know who is the father. It's one of the next two you with them, and I have a great man go and tell your best friend, say, him man, in I too, right? So, I know the game where they are played, that's why I see every time you say one that kiss by your job, so later, you know what I mean?
I dare you, Kevin. Go ahead.
I haven't received.
You don't love your life. Go on, go tell my best friend. Go on, go tell her. As I tell her, say, I'm a triplet sisters. Miss a triplet.
Later, we're going to enter now, right now.
Hey!
Come on, talk to you, we're going to come back inside later, right?
It's a wicked, dirty Rasta giant man. Come on, come phone.
Are you my come to?
Aye.
So why the hide they just sound so?
Girl, I want to talk to you.
Boy,
You know I love you, right? We're best friends from high school. From all the way in Kingston, all girls school, the Queen's school, the best school. I love you dearly, you're my best friend.
Well, yeah,
And I think it's best to just confess the truth to you. I need to confess.
confess boy.
Cassandra, I stabbed you in your back. I mean, you see your man? If he is a part of the DNA list, as in daddy not available list. He's one of the 3 guys.
Hold on, what that's supposed to mean? Oh, so you sleep with my man behind my back. And that you try to tell me?
Cassandra, I can explain.
What's there to explain?
You know, that's not me. That kind of baby is not me. It's just that, remember the first time I came over my house and we met? That day I placed my number in his phone because he requested my number.
So now everything I add up. That's why I didn't jump when I pulled the door.
Exactly. You know, this is not me. It's the devil from hell speaking, acting. It's not me. This is not me. This is not Angel. I am an
And
angel
you have
from
the
God.
audacity to stop in front of me to my face and tell me, say, you sleep with my man. And I hear him, I father for your pitney.
I'm not saying he's a father. I pray not. I hope not. It's possible though.
You know where the blood comes for the right now?
You love me. Forgive me.
Forgive you. You don't want to grab me right now. Let go my hand. Let go my hand.
Cassandra.
Don't Cassandra me.
Cassandra.
Oh, you feel sleep with...
Cassandra. Cassandra.
Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You know, sir, this right here, sir, this between me and you, it's done.
Cassandra.
Because me would never know your boyfriend and go sleep with a man. What kind of style that?
Can
Don't touch me.
Let me say something.
Me don't want to hear nothing.
No, please, just 1 second, 1 second. Cassandra, you see, you know this guy, I was supposed to get married to. You know, his name is Omar, a guy in the past. When I was supposed to marry that guy and he was supposed to come to Jamaica to marry me, you know what he did? He betrayed me, and from then I become this promiscuous type. Like every man me see, me just want to skin it out to them. I just become so disgusting. I just become this bitch. This betrayal. I just start to hate men. Cassandra.
Listen,
Cassandra, please.
Pause. Me no want to hear nothing.
It's my past. The past is the problem, not me.
Me no want to hear nothing what you have to say. Because what I this way I tell me a bullshit. That no give you no right to sleep with my boyfriend. But I'm trying to fuck by. Me no want to hear nothing else.
Cassandra.
Just sick my stomach.
I'm sorry. It's the devil speaking, not me. Jesus is Lord. Jesus, I think it's best to just commit suicide right now.
Yes, here is the end of the movie. So it was a good one, as you can see. I just want you to drop your honest comment down below if you don't do it already. And remember, go over to Kira's fashion. Remember the link I got in the description. I don't know if now see it on screen, but if you see it, so but link already in the description. So now go in the link, click on the page, follow it and buy something over there, you understand? And then remember, go over to Kira's TV because some mad movie will drop over there smartly. So remember, turn on the post notification bell. If you do not do that, you're not gonna get notified when we post a new movie. Understand? So, and like the video too, like the video. So, until next time, just be safe and guidance on the road.